Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use Snapchat's AI to set reminders right in your chats so you never forget plans again. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone and go to the chat list. Tap on My AI or open any group chat where AI is enabled. Then here ask AI to set a reminder. Type something like this. Remind me to call Sarah at 6 p.m. or remind us about a movie night. Then the Snapchat AI will confirm and schedule the reminder. Then manage or edit reminders. You can view, edit, or delete reminders anytime by typing Show My Reminders in AI chats. You can view, edit, or delete reminders anytime by typing Show My Reminders in AI chat. And that's it. Now you can set AI reminders directly in Snapchat to stay organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.